Greetings, mortals. This is Super Saiyan Rosé Goku Black. Welcome to another Rosé Reacts. Today's video is The Birds and the Z's, a DBZ parody by SSJ9 Carter. Oh boy, here we go, another video from this guy. Well then, let's just get it on with, shall we? SSJ! Yep, see, I knew that was coming. Animated by SSJ Carter. Alright. Oh, okay. Fishing, it looks like. What the hell? Okay, this has already started off weird. I don't even know anymore. I'm already completely... I think Gohan and I are agreeing. Gohan doesn't look happy.
Come on, Dad.
Come on, Goku. Just stop. Just stop it right now. He's not stopping. Thank you, Gohan.
That's how I got your mother, Gohan.
Wait, what?
I don't care!
Boy, who the hell are you yelling at?
Oh, damn.
I'm sorry,
Don't get it twisted, Gohan!
Don't get what
I'll throw
twisted?
a goddamn spirit bomb at you.
Whoa!
Hey, Dad, but you're singing. It makes me want to blast myself in the face.
Oh,
Well, I sang
harsh.
to your mother and she let me smash the first night.
Wait, what?
You smashed Mom?
Hit it 3 times and I wifed her.
Why would you hit her?
Oh,
monster.
he took it literally.
That's not what I meant.
What are you saying?
Your dad, I mean Piccolo, never had to talk.
I get it.
The talk.
You know, the birds and the Z's.
I hate birds.
Oh,
Oh, bird hating ass.
oh boy.
Well, Gohan, sometimes when a man and a woman
Oh,
like each
no.
other, they
Oh no.
do stuff.
Oh no.
What kind of stuff do they do?
Oh no.
Each
I
other.
can't.
No.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
Imagine
good lord.
That boys have power poles and girls have hyperbolic time chambers.
Wait, what?
Okay.
When a boy sees a pretty girl, his power pole may extend.
Sounds like some weird sorcery to me.
Then, if the girl likes
Oh
the boy,
my. This
she
is.
may allow him to place his power pole inside her hyperbolic time chamber. Then,
Oh, good
after
lord.
9 months, something emerges.
What emerges?
A capsule.
A capsule corp?
What?
Yep, and guess what's inside the capsule?
A beef fajita taco?
Oh, a baby, Gohan.
Well, how am I supposed to know? Shit!
Oh.
It's useless.
Dad,
Wow.
Yeah?
Mr. Piccolo did tell me about the birds and the Z's.
Wait, what?
Really?
Yeah. And from this day forward, I vow to put my power pole in as many time chambers as possible.
Oh shit!
And one day,
What the hell?
maybe I'll be just like you. I'll have a bunch of kids
Okay, that face. What the hell?
and neglect them.
What was
Oh.
Mhm.
Oh, damn! Gohan went there. Holy shit. Okay, then. Wow. I mean, wow. Okay, then. Well, then, this has been Rosé Reacts. That was the Birds and the Z's, ladies and gentlemen. That guy, SSJ Carter, that is one crazy motherfucker. Well, funny motherfucker, but crazy nonetheless. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more of my divine content. A link to the original video will be in the description below. And until next time, I am Beauty, I'm Grace, I shall stab something in the face. Later, you filthy ningens. Fare thee well.